Hi everyone. Hi Lakshya batch students. Hi Vishal. A very good evening. Hi Amrita Varshini. Hi Samya. Hi Raj Lakshmi. Hello everyone. How are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi Yatendra. Hi Monica. I am all good Vishal. What about you? हाय बोलने के लिए आए थे आप. ओके. हाय अमृता वर्षिनी. हाय राजलक्ष्मी. आई एम ऑल गुड. व्हाट अबाउट यू? ऑसम साम्या. ग्रेट. एकदम बढ़िया मोनिका. वाह. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? बाकी लोग कैसे हैं? क्या हाल चाल? एकदम बढ़िया. आप बताइए. So I hope that all of you are doing well. Thank you Raj Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Raj Lakshmi आप भी हाय बोलने आए थे. ओके बेटा. इंटरमीडिएट की एग्जाम नहीं. It is in November. It is in November. Good evening Nanamika. So hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. So this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, A for ambitious. Therefore it is MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. Hi Fawzia Ali. Yes, Amrita Varshini. Hi, Kushi. So, I welcome you all to our channel, Vedantu Commerce. And as you all know, we are here for a better future. So, if you guys are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel. Also, I would be really happy if you will take a moment to like this video and share this. So do like, do share and do subscribe our channel. Hi Abana. So, ये हुई ना बात. More than 100 students of Vedantu had proved it that Vedantu is the new address of toppers. तो toppers का नया address है Vedantu. और अगर आपको भी बनना है topper, then you can join my live and interactive classes. And this is your today's schedule. You are having your 9 p.m. session with none other than Sheetal Chaudhary. Hi Ishita. Hi Sandhya. I am all good Fawzia Ali. Hi Anamika. खुशी बेटा, आप यहाँ पढ़ने आए हो तो प्लीज पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. ये सब मोह माया है. बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड ये सब मोह माया है. पढ़ाई पे ध्यान. ठीक है, हम लोग यहाँ पढ़ने आए हैं. थैंक यू राजलक्ष्मी. थैंक यू सो मच. हाय अंशिका. So now Vedantu is also providing you VIP. We are providing you Vedantu's improvement promise. So if you take our courses, then we promise you that there will be guaranteed improvement in your marks. And if there is no improvement in your marks after taking our courses, then we will return your entire fees. We will return your entire fees without asking a single question. Yes, Monica. सब मोह माया है बच्चों. Hi अरीवा. केम छो? मजामा. आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? Hi गरिमा. So as you all know, this is class 12th accountancy session. This is the Lakshya batch. And we all are ready to achieve our Lakshya. तो हमें अपने लक्ष्य के लिए तैयारी करनी है. And the chapter that we are going to discuss today is accounting for share capital. आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सेम चैप्टर कंटिन्यू करेंगे, accounting for share capital. And the topic that we will do today is practical questions with solution. So आज अपन लोग करेंगे practical questions of this chapter, because जितने ज़्यादा questions करेंगे उतने अच्छे से समझ आएगा ना. तो चलिए आज practical questions करते हैं. So these are the learning outcomes of this session. We are going to discuss practical questions with solution. MCQ type तो नहीं है, it is a new topic basically, and I will be explaining that topic with the help of a question. एक नया topic है. अभी तक हमने over subscription अलग से किया था and for feature अलग से किया था. We have done the topics over subscription and for feature, but sometimes over subscription and for feature it comes together. So today we are going to discuss over subscription and for feature together in a single question. तो आज हम over subscription and for feature साथ में करने वाले हैं. टर्म 1 के लिए प्रिपरेशन कैसे करें? मोनिका, आपको सारा कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ना है. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल दी कॉन्सेप्ट and try to go through MCQs, search it on Google, and we are also coming with Menti quizzes regularly now. So join every Menti quiz because you have to practice more and more practical questions this time, because practical questions आने. पहले तो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए, सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होने चाहिए, बिकॉज जब कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आएगा. तो सबसे पहले वर्क ऑन योर कॉन्सेप्ट, मेक योर कॉन्सेप्ट योर बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड देन रिवाइज एज मच MCQ क्वेश्चंस एज यू कैन. लॉन्ग प्रैक्टिकल भी करने होंगे क्या? नहीं, आपको सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. आपको 1-2 प्रैक्टिकल तो करना पड़ेगा लॉन्ग शॉर्ट, ताकि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आए, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट है अकाउंट्स. तो जब तक आप प्रैक्टिकल सॉल्व नहीं करोगे तो कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आएगा. तो 1-2 प्रैक्टिकल सॉल्व करो, दैट्स इट. 1-2 प्रैक्टिकल सॉल्व करो कि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आ जाए, दैट्स इट. ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल नहीं करने. Do we need to make company's balance sheet in the share? No, because this time MCQ based questions are coming, so you need not prepare balance sheet in shares. But you should only know the format. You should only know the format. Because MCQ questions will come, so no one will ask you to prepare balance sheet. Na, Sandeep? Hi, Saloni. केस स्टडीज भी करवाइएगा रिवीजन में. ओके मोनिका. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन नाउ. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्लास नाउ. हाय शमा. नो, यू आर नॉट लेट. वी आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग द सेशन. सो I have a question for all of you, and this is the first question. This is the question. So the question is, balance in forfeited shares account. The balance of share forfeiture account is shown in the balance sheet under the head. The balance of share forfeiture is recorded in balance sheet under which of the head? Under current liability, reserve and surplus, share capital, or none of the above, where you will record the balance of share forfeiture in the balance sheet. Okay, most of the students are saying B, and there are 2 students who are saying C. Let me write the names. Okay, anybody else who wants to answer? Balance of share forfeiture account is recorded in the balance sheet under which of the head? Current liability, reserve and surplus, share capital, none of the above. यस शना, हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट ये वाला चैप्टर कर चुके हैं. इसके बाद एक और क्लास बची है. दिस इज द सेकंड लास्ट सेशन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Okay, so now we'll tell you the answer at the end of the session. We'll tell you the answer at the end of the session. So let's start with the first question. And trust me, the session is going to be so interesting. अगर आप ध्यान से समझोगे तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है इस क्लास में. So please be attentive because नजर हटी और दुर्घटना घटी, तो दुर्घटना को मत घटने देना, नजर और दिमाग सब यही रखना. So let's see what is the first question. And here we have your first question. Here we have your first question. The question is AB Limited invited application for 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. AB Limited, it has issued 1 lakh shares of 10 each, payable as 2 on application, 3 on allotment, and balance 5 rupees on first and final call. So AB Limited invited applications for 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, payable as 2 on application, 3 on allotment, and 5 on first call. Now, applications were received for 3 lakh shares. हमने कितने शेयर्स इशू करे थे? 1 लाख, 1 lakh. We have issued only 1 lakh shares, and applications are received for 3 lakh. The shares are over subscribed. The shares are over subscribed, and shares were allotted on pro rata basis. We have issued shares to everyone. Shares were allotted to everyone on pro rata basis. हमने सबको shares दे दिए on pro rata basis. And the excess application money was to be adjusted against allotment only. If any excess money is received, it will be adjusted towards allotment only, not towards first call. जो भी excess आएगा आप उसको कहाँ तक adjust करोगे? सिर्फ allotment तक. Then it is said that Ram, a shareholder who has applied for 3,000 shares failed to pay the call money, and his shares were forfeited. His shares were forfeited and reissued at 8 per share as fully paid up. Now there is oversubscription and forfeiture also. They are combined together. Forfeiture और oversubscription दोनों साथ में है. क्वेश्चन देख के दिमाग की बत्ती जल गई. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे? As it is over subscription question, we will prepare. Yes, Ariba, you are absolutely correct. The shares are reissued. The shares are reissued at 2 rupees discount. अब सबसे पहले yes, अरीबा, मोनिका, करेक्ट बच्चों, हमें सबसे पहले क्या बनानी है? टेबल बनानी है. जो मैंने टेबल बनवाई थी 8 कॉलम्स की, we have to prepare that table. तो अब मुझे होना पड़ेगा गायब, and let's prepare the table now. So here you can see 2 rupees are called on application, 3 on allotment, 5 on first call. This is how we are calling 10 rupees. This is how we are calling 10 rupees. 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 5 on first call. And those who applied for? Ronak sir, please block this. Rachit Mishra. Rachit Mishra, please block him. So those who applied for 3 lakh. Those who applied for 3 lakh. ओहो, बड़े तेज हो रहे हो, क्या हुआ रिबा? So those who applied for 3 lakh, we issued 1 lakh shares to them. हमने उन्हें कितने shares issue करे? 1 lakh. Yes रिबा, टेबल पहले से ही तैयारी करके आए हैं. So those who applied for 3 lakh, they have been issued 1 lakh shares. Now we will calculate application received. So application is received on applied number of shares. Application money is received with applications. So it will be received on applied number of shares. So 3 lakh multiplied by 2. Application received is 6 lakh. Application received is 6 lakh. Then we have to calculate application due. And application or allotment, they become due, they get due on allotted number of shares. Allotment और application किस पे due होती है? On allotted number of shares. So we have allotted 1 lakh shares. So 1 lakh shares multiplied by application 2 rupees. Application due is 2 lakh. 1 lakh multiplied by 2. Application due is 2 lakh. श्रेष्ठी, आप 11th की क्लास में आए थे, आपने हाय नहीं बोला मुझे. सॉरी श्रेष्ठी, बाय मिस्टेक ऐसा हुआ होगा. आई डिडंट न्यू कि आप क्लास में हो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे थे ना. So application due is 2 lakh. Application due is 2 lakh. Now we will calculate excess. So application received minus application due. 6 lakh minus 2 lakh, the excess is 4 lakh. कोई नहीं, हाय सृष्टि. Then we will calculate. Allotment due. After calculating the excess, you will calculate allotment due. So allotment will also get due on allotted number of shares. So 1 lakh multiplied by 1 lakh multiplied by allotment 3 rupees. 1 lakh multiplied by allotment 3 rupees. Allotment due is 3 lakh. Well done Ariba, well done Sonam, well done Akansha, well done guys, you are doing well. So shabash bachcho, shabash Monica, Ariba, Sonam, Akansha. 1 lakh multiplied by 3, allotment due is 3 lakh. Allotment due is 3 lakh. अब मुझे ये बताओ, how much amount will be adjusted towards allotment? How much amount will be adjusted towards allotment? Tell me guys. Well done Sonam. Well done. So yes, as allotment due is 3 lakh. allotment due is 3 lakh, we can only adjust 3 lakh towards allotment. क्योंकि allotment due कितनी है बच्चों? 3 लाख, तो आप adjust भी कितना कर सकते हो? 3 lakh, and the remaining 1 lakh will be refunded. The remaining 1 lakh will be refunded. So well done, Monica, Akansha, Vishal, Ariba, and Fawzia Ali. Shabash, bachcho. So this is your table of oversubscription. This is your table. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Clear. Okay. Okay, Rachit. Now we will pass the journal entries. We will pass the journal entries. So first entry will be bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account. Application received is 6 lakh. Application money received is 6 lakh. So bank account debit to share application 6 lakh. Then the main entry, the second entry will be share application account debit to share capital account to share allotment account to bank account, to bank account. So this is your second entry because it is over subscription, guys. So share application debit 6 lakh, share application debit 6 lakh to share capital. Application due is 2 lakh. To share capital, application due is 2 lakh. To share allotment, amount adjusted in allotment is 3 lakh. So to share allotment 3 lakh, and the amount refunded is 1 lakh. So to bank account 1 lakh. To bank account 1 lakh. So this is the second entry, share application debit to share capital to share allotment to bank account. After that, allotment will become due. Allotment will become due. So share allotment debit to share capital. Share allotment debit to share capital. Allotment due is 3 lakh. Allotment due is 3 lakh. Share allotment to share capital 3 lakh. And then you will receive allotment. You will receive allotment. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Bank account debit to share allotment account. The allotment due is 3 lakh. Allotment due is 3 lakh, and from this you will subtract the amount adjusted at the time of application. From this you will subtract the amount adjusted at the time of application. So it will be 0. It will be 0. So bank to share allotment, no amount is received because the whole amount is adjusted at the time of allotment. पूरा का पूरा पैसा कहाँ adjust हो गया था? Application के time पे. So bank account debit to share allotment account, it will be 0. Then first call will become due. Then first call will become due. So share first call account debit to share capital account. Share first call account, debit to share capital account. We have issued 1 lakh shares. We have allotted, we have issued 1 lakh shares. And first call is of 5 rupees. First call कितने की है बच्चों? 5 रुपए की, 5 rupees की. So 1 lakh multiplied by 5. First call become due by 5 lakh. First call gets due by 5 lakh. Share first call debit to share capital. And इसके बाद आती है मेन एंट्री. इसके बाद आती है मेन एंट्री, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट to share first call. Bank account debit to share first call. अगर अरीबा अलॉटमेंट के बाद कुछ पैसा बचता है और वो फर्स्ट कॉल में एडजस्ट होना होता है, तो आप यहाँ पर एक और कॉलम बनाओगे एडजस्टेड इन फर्स्ट कॉल, और आप उस एक्सेस को, ये 1000 कहाँ जाएगा? दिस 1000 विल बी एडजस्टेड इन फर्स्ट कॉल. ये 1000 आप रिफंड करने की जगह क्या कर दोगे? उसको फर्स्ट कॉल में एडजस्ट कर दोगे. ओके अरीबा, तो आप इसको रिफंड नहीं करोगे. अगर क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि एडजस्ट द एक्सेस टुवर्ड्स फर्स्ट कॉल, देन यू विल एडजस्ट इट टुवर्ड्स फर्स्ट कॉल. आप उसको रिफंड नहीं करोगे. अब क्वेश्चन में एक बहुत ही मजेदार चीज है. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन की तरफ. लेट्स गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन नाउ. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग Ram, a shareholder who has applied for 3000 shares, failed to pay call money. Ram is not paying first call. और हमें क्या गिवन है? उसके applied number of shares गिवन है. He applied for 3000 shares. अब हमें ये नहीं पता कि हमने उसको कितने शेयर्स अलॉटेड किए. सो हमें ये गिवन है इन दिस क्वेश्चन. इट इज सेड दैट राम हु अप्लाइड फॉर 3000 फेल्ड टू पे द फर्स्ट कॉल. सो इफ अप्लाइड इज गिवन और अलॉटेड इज गिवन इन केस ऑफ ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड forfeiture. In case of oversubscription and forfeiture, you have to calculate the opposite one. अब यहाँ पे ना applied given है और allotted नहीं पता. We don't know. We don't have any idea that how many shares have been issued, have been allotted to Ram. So you will calculate it. You will calculate it. And the formula is, you are calculating allotted shares. So keep allotted in numerator. Keep allotted in numerator and keep applied in denominator. So you will keep allotted in numerator because you are calculating it. So what you are calculating, keep that always in numerator. And you will multiply it with a given number of shares. Given number of shares. Now allotted. Now see the table. Now we have to look the table. In table, allotted shares are 1 lakh. Allotted shares are 1 lakh. And applied shares are 3 lakh. So allotted is 1 lakh. Allotted is 1 lakh. Applied is 3 lakh. And given number of shares are 3000. Given number of shares are 3000. So 1 lakh divided by 3 lakh multiplied by 3000. When you will solve it, you will get 1000. You will get 1000. So allotted number of shares are 1000. How many shares have been allotted? 1000. So 1000 shares have been allotted to him. विशाल, जो आप कर रहे हो वो allotment के टाइम पे करते हैं. He is not paying you first call, so you will not follow this process, Vishal. Now he is not paying us first call. So on 1000 shares, on allotted shares, on 1000 shares, he is not paying as first call. तो वो हमें 1000 शेयर्स पे फर्स्ट कॉल पे नहीं कर रहा. कॉल्स इन एरियर्स आर 5000. कॉल्स इन एरियर्स आर 5000. कॉल्स इन एरियर्स आर 5000. तो यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ फर्स्ट स्टेप करते हो, सेकंड वाला स्टेप नहीं होता. From this you will not subtract any excess. यहाँ से आप excess माइनस नहीं करोगे क्योंकि excess is not adjusted towards first call. excess तो first call में adjust हुआ ही नहीं है ना, तो excess माइनस नहीं होगा यहाँ से. excess हम लोग तभी माइनस करते हैं जब excess first call में adjust होता है, लेकिन excess तो सिर्फ allotment में adjust हुआ ना विशाल, तो यहाँ से excess माइनस नहीं होगा. So your calls in arrears are 5000. Your calls in arrears are 5000. So in the journal entry, from 5 lakh we will subtract calls in arrears. From 5 lakh we will subtract 5000. And this is the amount which we will receive. This is the amount which we will receive. 4,95,000. This is the amount which we will receive. Is it clear, guys? ये समझ आया? Is it clear till now? यहाँ तक समझ आया? Yes, Fawzia Ali. Yes, Ariba. Yes, Monica. You can also debit calls in arrears. आप calls in arrears of course show कर सकते हो. You can pass the journal entry. Bank debit 4,95,000. Calls in arrears debit 5,000. 2 share first call 5 lakh. तो आप वो भी एंट्री पास कर सकते हो. अब क्वेश्चन में बोला है, नाउ क्वेश्चन में बोला है दैट हिज शेयर्स वर forfeited. उसके शेयर्स, हिज शेयर्स वर forfeited. अब मुझे ये बताओ, टेल मी हाउ मेनी शेयर्स यू विल कैंसिल. You will cancel 3,000 shares or 1,000 shares. Yes, Aditi, it is for ISC 2. So which of these shares you will cancel? 3,000 or 1,000? कौन से shares cancel करोगे? Yes, guys, the answer is 1,000. बिकॉज हमने उसको जितने शेयर्स दिए हैं वही तो छीनोगे ना. आपने उसको कितने शेयर्स दिए थे? 1000. तो उतने ही तो छीन सकते हो. उससे ज्यादा शेयर्स ना तो उसके पास है ना आप उससे ले सकते हो. सो द शेयर्स दैट वी हैव अलॉटेड टू हिम, ओनली दोज शेयर्स विल बी forfeited. तो जितना दिया है उतना ही वापस ले सकते हो. सो यू विल forfeit how many shares? 1,000 shares. And the journal entry will be, share capital account debit to share first call. He is not paying first call. And to share forfeiture account. 1,000 shares we are cancelling. Called up amount is 10 rupees. he is not paying first call of 5 rupees. He is not paying first call of 5 rupees. And we have received 5 rupees on this. We have received 3 rupees allotment and 2 rupees application. So we have received 5 rupees on these shares. So share capital debit 10,000, 2 share first call 5,000, 2 share forfeiture 5,000. 2 share forfeiture 5,000. Ishika, the excess 4 lakh, out of that 3 lakh is adjusted towards allotment. 3 लाख उसमें से allotment में adjust हुआ था और 1 लाख वापस हो गया था. So Ishika, the out of 4 lakh, 3 lakh is adjusted towards allotment and 1 lakh was refunded. Now, after this, these shares are reissued for 8. These shares are reissued for 8. It means shares are reissued at discount. Shares are reissued at discount. So, the entry will be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital. It is issued for 8. So 1000 multiplied by 8. We have given 2 rupees a discount. So share forfeiture debit 1000 multiplied by 2 and 2 share capital 1000 multiplied by 10. So this is the entry for reissue. Bank account debit 8,000, share forfeiture debit 2,000, 2 share capital 10,000. And after that, the balance of share forfeiture will be transferred to capital reserve. The balance of share forfeiture will be transferred to capital reserve. So 5,000, this is the gain, 5,000 minus discount, 5,000 minus 2,000, 3,000 will be transferred to capital reserve. The balance of share forfeiture 5,000 minus 2,000, 3,000 will be transferred to capital reserve. So these are the entries for reissue. These are the entries for reissue. So is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Yes or no? And well done, guys. Well done, Sonam, Monica, Vishal. You all are answering it correct. Great job. Pani jaisa clear. Okay. So now let's see the answer. चलिए answer देख लेते हैं. So let's see the solution now. And here you have the solution. So this is the first entry, bank account debit to equity share application 6 lakh. Then this is the second entry, equity share application debit to equity share capital, to share allotment to bank. The 4 lakh excess, out of the 4 lakh, 3 lakh is adjusted towards allotment and 1 lakh is refunded. So 2 share allotment and 2 share to bank. 2 share allotment 3 lakh, to bank 1 lakh. Then allotment is due. So equity share allotment to equity share capital 3 lakh. And when you will receive allotment, 0 is received. When you will receive allotment, 0 is received. So we will not pass the entry बिकॉज अलॉटमेंट के टाइम पे 0 मिला है. अलॉटमेंट ड्यू इज 3 lakh minus adjusted at the time of application 3 lakh. So 3 lakh minus 3 lakh it is 0. तो अलॉटमेंट की एंट्री पास नहीं करेंगे. Hi Yashmit. Then first call due is equity share first call to equity share capital. Lakshmi, I think that you have not watched our classes of oversubscription table. I have not explained this entry right now because we have already covered it in one of the sessions. In our previous classes, I have briefly explained the topic oversubscription. So I request you, Lakshmi, to please watch our previous classes of oversubscription, because in that I have explained oversubscription briefly. हाँ, आप 0 पास करके भी एंट्री लिख सकते हो. If you want to pass the journal entry, you can pass it, but please mention 0 and please show the working note. Then we will receive first call. So at the time of first call, there were calls in arrears of 5,000. At the time of first call, there were calls in arrears of 5,000. So the amount received on first call is 4,95,000. And after first call, the shares are forfeited. After first call, the shares are forfeited. So share first call for equity share capital debit, share capital debit to share first call to share forfeiture. This is the entry for share forfeiture. And after that, we will pass the entry for reissue and we will transfer the balance to capital reserve. So these are the entries for reissue and transfer of balance to capital reserve. So you can see how much balance is transferred. 3,000 is transferred to capital reserve. So this is your solution, and I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Thank you so much, Monica. So this was our first question. एक क्वेश्चन सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर. Yes, that's why I took it. कि आपके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट एक क्वेश्चन से समझ आ जाए. Now we have one more question. So are you guys ready for the second question? Are you guys ready to solve the second question? Okay, so let's see what question we have. Let's see what question we have. Yatendra, if you want to do more such questions of share capital, then you have to join us on Pro Subscription. Okay, Yatendra. Because on YouTube we have limited time, bacha, so we can't cover everything on YouTube. So the next question is Kamal Limited was formed on 1st April 2020 with an authorized capital of rupees 2 lakh. The authorized capital is rupees 2 lakh divided into 2,000 equity shares of 100 each. It is divided into 2,000 shares of 100 each. Now these shares were issued as fully paid to the vendor of building for payment of the purchase consideration. आपने एक बिल्डिंग खरीदी. You have purchased a building from a vendor and in return you have issued these shares to the vendor. आपने कोई बिल्डिंग खरीदी और रिटर्न में आपने अपने शेयर्स दे दिए उस वेंडर को. So tell me, what will be the journal entry for this transaction? What will be the journal entry if shares are issued to the vendor for purchase of asset? तो क्या journal entry होगी बताइए. Yes Sonam, you're absolutely correct. This is issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Well done, Monica. Great job. Yes, the first entry will be building account debit to vendor account. Building account debit to vendor account. Absolutely correct, Monica. Well done, Vishal. Well done, Sonam. Well done, Monica. So, first we will pass the entry. सागरिका, क्यों नहीं निकल रहे आप यहाँ से? जल्दी से जाओ ना, जल्दी से निकलो बेटा. आप लोगों की नहीं जरूरत हमें. सागरिका, please leave as soon as possible. So, the first entry will be when you will purchase building, the entry will be building account debit to vendor account. Building account debit to vendor account. Let me change the background. So the first entry will be building account debit to vendor account. This is the first entry when you have purchased the asset. So 2 lakh rupees we have purchased the building from vendor. And after that, when you will issue shares to the vendor, the entry will be vendor account debit to share capital. Vendor account debit to share capital 2 lakh rupees. So these are the entries for issue of shares to the vendor. First, building account debit to vendor account, and then vendor account debit to share capital. Well done guys, you all have answered it correct. Congratulations. स्तुति, जो मेंटी क्विज आज कराए हैं वो 11th पार्ट 3 है, बट उस पर 4 लिखा है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट. स्तुति, विल डिस्कस इट इन सम अदर सेशन स्तुति, बिकॉज दिस इज क्लास 12 सेशन. इट विल बी लिटिल डिस्टर्बिंग फॉर देम. हाय भाद्रा. So this is your solution. We will pass these 2 entries: building account debit to vendor account and vendor account debit to share capital. 2 lakh and 2 lakh. So is it clear? Is it clear guys? Yes or no? You're welcome, Vishal. It was the last class of BRS, Tuti. It was the last class of BRS. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, okay? Super clear, chaka-chak clear, yes, crystal clear, magic. Okay. So let's see the solution of the question now. Let's see the solution of your quiz. So I asked you the question that balance of share forfeiture is shown in balance sheet under which of the head? And the answer is C, share capital. The balance of share forfeiture is recorded in balance sheet under the head share capital. And well done, Monica, Akansha, Saloni, Anshika, Vishal, and Yatendra. Congratulations, everyone. You all have answered it correct. Well done, Monica, Akansha, Saloni, Anshika, Vishal, and Yatendra. You all have answered it correct. मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि शेयर्स री इशू हो चुके हैं. जब तक शेयर्स री इशू नहीं होते तब तक वो शेयर कैपिटल में जाता है. शेयर्स आर नॉट री इशूड. अरीबा, शेयर्स री इशू नहीं हुए हैं. जब शेयर्स री इशू नहीं होते तो बैलेंस ऑफ शेयर फॉर फ्यूचर कहा जाएगा, बैलेंस शीट में शेयर कैपिटल में जाएगा. ओके यस विशाल, सबके नाम लिख लिए थे मैंने. So guys, that's it for today. We have completed practical questions of this chapter and I hope कि chapter दोबारा से revise हो गया होगा इन questions से. So did you enjoy this session? Yes, आप लोगों का नाम मेरे हाथ पे छप गया. Did you enjoy this session? Yes or no? You're welcome, Ariba. Yes, Akansha. Yes, Sonam. Very much. Okay, मजा आया. इशिका, great. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया. You're welcome, Akansha. Okay, so in next class we will finish this chapter. अगली क्लास में ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा. On Friday this chapter will get over and on Saturday you will have mentee quiz. So in next class we will do the concept of private placement and ESOP. We will do employee stock option plan. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss in the next class. So now we'll see you all on Friday at 7 PM. तो अब आप लोगों से मुलाकात होगी शुक्रवार रात 7 बजे. And your action matters a lot for us. So take a pledge this time by posting I pledge to act against COVID-19. So follow these simple steps on your phone to get a certificate. Commerce student, now we will have class on Friday at 7 PM. Commerce student, now we will have class on Friday at 7 PM. अगला वाला चैप्टर लॉन्ग नहीं है. वी विल ओनली हैव फ्यू क्लासेस इन अकाउंटिंग रेशियोज. अब हमारे सिर्फ 2 चैप्टर बचे हैं, अकाउंटिंग रेशियोज और फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. सिर्फ 2 चैप्टर बचे हैं. आराम से सितंबर में सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएगा. So if you guys want to attend more such classes with me, then you all can join my लाइव एंड इंटरैक्टिव कोर्स. तो आप ले सकते हैं प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन. इफ यू वांट टू अटेंड मोर सच क्लासेस विद मी, देन गो एंड टेक प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन in which we are providing you all these amazing benefits. So आपको प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन में मिलते हैं more than 5000 hours of live courses. So with the pro subscription you can attend unlimited live classes. कितनी भी लाइव क्लासेस आप अटेंड कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ. Then all these subject will be covered in detail, whether it is accounts, economics, business studies or mathematics. All these subject will be covered in detail with exclusive test and assignments. हम आपके रेगुलरली टेस्ट लेंगे, आपको रेगुलरली असाइनमेंट्स भी देंगे. Then all your classes will be conducted in English. All your classes will be conducted in English only. Then the most important thing, as you are talking to me here, you can also talk to me, you can also ask your doubts in pro subscription. So there is a live doubt solving. You can ask all your doubts in the live classes. And last but not the least, you can attend all our classes from your home by any device. तो आप घर बैठ के आलती पालती मार के आराम से हमारी क्लासेस देखना किसी भी डिवाइस. So these are all the benefits. These are all the benefits which are provided to you in pro subscription. And along with these benefits, we are also providing you VIP. So if you take our courses, then we promise you, I promise you that there will be guaranteed improvement in your marks. There will be guaranteed improvement in your performance. And if there is no improvement, in your marks, then we will return your entire fees without asking a single question. तो अगर हमारे कोर्सेज लेने के बाद आपके मार्क्स इंप्रूव नहीं होते तो हम आपकी पूरी फीस कर देंगे वापस बिना कुछ पूछे. But for this we need a little support from your side. We need a helping hand. So we need 75% mandatory attendance and we need 75% completion of assigned test. So this is what we need from your side. And now these are the plans which are available in Pro Subscription. You can either take 1 month plan or you can take 12-month plan. And what is the process to take Pro Subscription? How to enroll for Pro Subscription? Let me show you. So what you have to do is you have to go to the description box. You have to go to the description box in which you will find this link. Subscribe to Vedantu Pro and avail 10% discount. So this is the link. So click on this link. Click on this link. When you will click on this link, you will come to our website. आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे आ जाओगे जैसे ही आप लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे. एंड यहाँ से आप अपना प्लान चूज कर सकते हो कि आपको हमारे साथ पूरे साल पढ़ना है. यू वांट टू गेट द फुल ईयर प्लान फॉर 30,599 or you want to try for 1 month. You want to get 1 month plan. So it's all up to you that which plan you want to take. You want to take the full year plan or 1 month plan. So this is the process. Go to description box, go to the link, and when you will click on the link, you will come to our website. So only in 2,610 rupees, we are providing you all the 4 subjects. We are providing you VIP. तो इतने कम पैसों में इतनी सारी चीजें मिल रही है और क्या चाहिए बच्चों. So those who want to take Pro Subscription, go to the link given in the description box. And if you want to get extra 10% discount, अगर आपको चाहिए extra 10% discount, then use my code SCPRO. So what are you waiting for? Come on, go to the link and take your Pro Subscription right now at extra 10% discount. तो आपको मिलेगा extra 10% discount अगर आप use करोगे मेरा code SCPRO. So ये हुई ना बात. And Vedantu students have proved it. More than 100 students of Vedantu had qualified this super tough exam, NTSE Stage 1. And they have proved it that Vedantu is the new address of toppers. तो अगर आपको भी बनना है टॉपर तो अभी जाइए और लीजिए Pro Subscription. And if you guys are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel. Also, do like this video and do share it. So like, share and subscribe. Now we'll see you all in the next class. तो अब आप लोगों से मिलेंगे अगली क्लास में on Friday at 7 PM. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching this session. And please stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. So thank you so much everyone for giving us your valuable time. Now good night, have sweet dreams, take care and bye bye. You're welcome, Monica. Good night, Monica. Good night, Anamika. Bye bye everyone.